Magnific, formerly known as Freepik, is, in my opinion, the future for AI creatives. And based on my recent trip to the Upscale Conference, I'll show you exactly why. But it's not because of the amazing AI updates that they dropped. It's about much more than that. So if you don't have a Magnific, aka Freepik subscription yet, there's a link in the description. And a big thank you to Magnific for inviting me to your San Francisco office. What makes them really stand out is that they are actually available. Real people that communicate back. In fact, at the Upscale Conference, the entire AI team was there and actually very interested in feedback and what you had to say, which now brings me back to Magnific's offices, where I personally got a look at some updates that just dropped. And what the future has in store for not only Magnific, but in my opinion, the future of AI creation. And Magnific first said this: most AI agents are built to replace creatives. We built ours to stay by your side. For the first time, what agents learn is shared across your team. Agents plus MCP plus Flows just launched.
Over MCP, the AI will have access to absolutely everything there is in Magnific.
You can see right here, it says Magnific is connecting AI to the tools you already use and making it remember you and your past decisions. And when it comes to agents, this can reach across everything in Magnific: your folders, accounts, usage, collaborators, and spaces. They understand the context around your work so they can take action with the full picture while you stay in control. So you can see right here in this post that we have Martin here. He asks the agent to spin up a full project in just one simple request: folders, character specs, post-production, all from plain language. Everything that Martin builds syncs in real time. Teammates who never touch the agents still get the full project, and he can invite the whole team to work in the same place.
They can create new programs with spaces that can be used by the whole organization.
Now you don't have to stay inside Magnific.
Agents can now connect with Magnific from Claude, ChatGPT, or from Magnific's web UI. All made possible by the Magnific MCP. Ask for anything, and Magnific picks the right model and brings the result back.
Magnific MCP brings in the tools we already work with. Simply put, design the agent, direct the work. So you can start with pre-made agents or simply design your own. They carry your references, hold your project memory, and run inside the spaces your team already uses. And they say specifically, no other creative agent is user designed. We built ours so you could build yours. So 3 ways every agent becomes yours: what it knows, what it remembers, and what it builds. We have the knowledge base. You can upload PDFs, images, video, text files, etc. The agent carries them into every conversation, so you never have to start from a blank slate.
For complex jobs, describe the goal, and the agent plans and runs every step, from first image to final result. With access to projects and your history on Magnific, the agents can make intelligent decisions. And when you want to go deeper, take the work into spaces, build a workflow once, save it, and run it from any agent.
And when it comes to flows, check this out. Magnific states that build something that works, don't rebuild it, flow it. Flows turn complex process into ready-to-run templates curated by use case and industry. For you, for your team, for whatever you make next. Now, what makes it easy are going to be these templates that we can already go with. Tons of selections that we could choose from. All you would have to do is scroll through a few of these, or even tab up at the very top what you're looking for. We have social media, advertising, filmmaking, motion control, and more, like this movie, The Chronicles of Bone. Again, all built with everything I'm showing you today. And when it comes to Magnific MCP, again, everything is sort of intertwined. We get the full Magnific platform from any AI client. Connect one, access every Magnific tool from the chats that you already use. It gives us the exact instructions on how to connect this from Claude Desktop, Claude Code, ChatGPT, Cursor, Codex, VS Code, Gemini. You can even make a workflow from the chat. Right here, describe what you want it to do, save it as a workflow in Spaces, and run it from any chat and share it with the team when ready. Now, these pages really do share some very good input, so make sure you check the links in the description. I'll be including every link that we're looking at today. So right here, you can see the difference between the two, MCP and agents. MCP, Magnific goes to you, so you're using it in the specific app of your choice, like ChatGPT. Agents, you work inside of Magnific. So I know that this is a lot to take in, especially if you're more on the beginner side. side, because so much actually was dropped at once. And that doesn't even include other major updates that just dropped. And a lot more game-changing updates also coming very soon. Honestly, we're just warming up. So to get the latest updates, AI tips, and tricks, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'll be sharing as much as I possibly can, if in fact I can actually keep up with the speed of AI. Until then, I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the mule if it's the last thing you do. Subscribe.